You cannot fast and seek God and God not give you a dream and a vision for your life. It's impossible.
If you ate one meal every other day, you would only get sick one day every 4 or 5 years.
For over 2,000 years, a profound spiritual technology lay buried in the arid caves of Qumran, hidden within the ancient parchment of the Dead Sea Scrolls. While the world has been taught to view fasting merely as a physical routine, a dietary trend, or a standard religious obligation, the ancient Essene community understood something far more radical. To them, fasting was never about suppressing the body. It was about cutting off the invisible external feed. History books present these ancient desert dwellers as a simple, ascetic sect, but their private texts reveal a shocking reality. They were spiritual engineers who recognized that human consciousness is constantly targeted by subtle, distracting influences. They identified these forces as archonic feedback loops, invisible spiritual noise designed to keep your mind tethered to low vibrational states of anxiety, craving, and mental fatigue. Most people today are trapped in a cycle of external rituals, constantly looking outward for peace, energy, and connection. But the Essenes knew that true liberation requires an internal activation. They discovered that specific, intentional fasting intervals act as an energetic shield, effectively unplugging your awareness from sensory manipulation and restoring your direct connection to the higher self. What if the fatigue, brain fog, and spiritual apathy you feel aren't just modern stress, but the result of a system designed to keep you consuming? Let's unlock the hidden protocol that was buried to keep you unaware. If you are listening to this right now, understand one thing clearly. You did not stumble upon this video by pure accident. The algorithms of the modern world are designed to keep your attention fragmented, drifting from one high dopamine distraction to the next. Breaking through that digital noise to find a message like this requires an alignment of intent. Your presence here is a signal that your intuition is already seeking a deeper level of clarity, pulling you away from superficial content toward authentic, transformative knowledge. Most people will scroll past this. They will skim the surface of life, endlessly reacting to every urge, notification, and passing thought, never questioning why their energy constantly feels drained. But you are here because you recognize that something deeper is at play. You are ready to transition from a passive consumer of reality into an active participant in your own spiritual awakening. To anchor this intention into your immediate reality and signal your mind that you are ready to receive this shift, take a deliberate breath right now. Go down to the comment section below and type, "I am awake." Writing this isn't just a comment, it is a physical action that seals your intent. It serves as a marker in your conscious journey, grounding your focus before we dive into the exact cosmic mechanics and step-by-step practice hidden within these ancient texts. To understand why the Essenes placed such immense importance on precise fasting protocols, we must look at the cosmic conflict they detailed in their writings. They saw human awareness as a pristine frequency operating within a dense material realm. However, this realm is saturated with lower astral influences and archonic feedback loops, systems of distraction that feed on your unexamined desires, mental chaos, and sensory overstimulation. When you constantly consume, whether it is heavy physical food, non-stop digital media, or emotional drama, your vital energy is entirely directed downward. Your body is forced into a perpetual state of processing and digestion. Spiritually, this keeps your conscious energy anchored to the lower centers of survival and impulse. The archonic structures rely on this perpetual motion. As long as your body and mind are busy reacting to physical inputs, your higher spiritual awareness remains dormant, effectively muted by the sensory background noise. The Dead Sea Scrolls outline a foundational truth. Authentic spiritual power cannot be realized while your energy field is flooded with external inputs. The Essenes realize that when you deliberately cut off physical food and sensory overconsumption for specific windows of time, something remarkable happens. The energetic noise drops to zero. The body stops expending energy on heavy metabolic tasks, and that diverted vital force surges upward. Fasting, in this ancient context, is not an act of self-punishment. It is an act of spiritual warfare. It breaks the feedback loop, starved of the low-frequency energy it thrives upon, allowing your innate, authentic awareness to awaken and recalibrate. Now let us translate this ancient Essene wisdom into a practical, modern protocol that you can execute safely and effectively. You can choose either a 12-hour gentle protocol for beginners or a 24-hour deep reset technique depending on your experience. Step 1. Preparation and setting the boundary. Choose your window. If you choose the 12-hour protocol, fast from sunset to sunrise. If you select the 24-hour reset, begin after a clean evening meal and fast until the following evening. During this window, you will consume only pure water. Remove all digital noise. Turn off notifications. Refrain from mindless scrolling, and minimize external auditory inputs. Step 2. Physical and energetic posture. Sit comfortably with an upright spine, either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Keep your hands resting palms up on your knees. Alignment of the spine is essential. It opens the energetic pathway, allowing vital force to circulate freely upward without obstruction. Step 3. Rhythmic breathwork protocol. Inhale deeply through your nose for a calm count of 4 seconds, feeling your abdomen expand. Hold that breath at the top for 4 seconds, visualizing a brilliant light gathering at the base of your spine. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds, releasing all physical tension and sensory residue. Repeat this breath cycle for 7 full rounds. Step 4. Sensory and physical detoxification. As the physical hunger or mental urge to consume arises, do not resist it violently. Instead, observe the impulse neutrally. Visualize that craving as an external signal, a wave of archonic feedback attempting to trigger a reaction. With every exhale, imagine severing the energetic cord connected to that urge. Feel your consciousness withdrawing from the outer world and consolidating in the center of your chest, inside your spiritual heart. Step 5. Inner sound and visual anchor. With your eyes closed, direct your internal gaze toward the space between your eyebrows. Silently repeat the ancient internal resonance. Purity within, light without. Focus on the silent gap between your thoughts, allowing your mind to rest in absolute stillness. This protocol is only the first layer of the deep spiritual technology hidden within these forgotten texts. We are unraveling a complete system designed to restore your energy and liberate your consciousness. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next key in this series. Share your experiences with the protocol in the comments below and stand firm in your practice. Until next time, keep your awareness clear and your spirit unbroken.